should be in Frankfurt, yeah, in 30 minutes. We look dead. We're gonna go and have dinner, but we're so tired and we just want to get down from the train. It's so bad and I feel sick, so update you guys when we are at the dinner. So we arrived to this restaurant that is called Blockhouse, and we were gonna go to an Italian restaurant, but they closed it. It was just gonna be for drinks only. Then we wanted to go to a Japanese one and it was closed too. So we're gonna have steak. Hi vlog! Okay, so I don't know where are we going. It's it's what time is it? Like 11 something? 12. No, almost 12. Oh my god! And
we're gonna have a matcha.
Yes,
some breakfast
because we haven't eaten. So yeah, but we look so cute. Yeah. Vlog, we're waiting for the tram to get here. Guys, I ordered an avocado toast with pesto and arugula, and it has also potatoes, but we're gonna try it. Guys, we also ordered chocolate cake. Okay, so we're gonna try cake. It's really good. In the Christmas market. So cute.
We're at the Christmas market.
Yay! So exciting, and it's raining again, unfortunately.
Our hair is not having it today.
I straightened my hair and now it's ruined. Where are we going?
We're going to the main cathedral.
Amazing. You'll see. Hi guys. Okay, so we are, I don't know what's the name of the bridge, but we're in the bridge and you can see everything. It's so cute. It's really nice.
Okay, outfit check.
Okay, so this coat is from Naked. My sweater is from Abercrombie. Jeans, Zara. Boots, Massimo Dutti. Rose phone case. Earrings. I don't know. I stole them from my mom. And that's it. That's outfit of today. We're just walking around, so yeah. And what else?
A reservation in front of the river at 5:30. So we're having dinner.
Yes.
It's gonna be cute.
I'm excited for the food, honestly. So
Yeah. We're always excited for food.
we're always excited because of food. But that's great, honestly.
Of course.
Guys, I ruined my jeans. Hi vlog. Okay, so I feel like I cannot speak that loud because everyone is like so quiet here, but the restaurant is so nice and we are literally next to the river and we're so excited to try the food. Guys, this looks so good. You have no idea.
I know.
It's so exciting. Hi vlog. Okay, so right now it's the afternoon already. It's 2 and we're gonna go and eat right now. We haven't had breakfast, so we're gonna have breakfast and lunch. And then I don't know what we're gonna do. We need to finish packing and then we have to go. So yeah, but we're starving right now.